There has been a lot of talk in seminars and conferences over the last few years about the prospects for asbestos litigation continuing for the short term or for the longer term. And I have heard Steve Kazin on the subject predicting how long asbestos litigation is likely to fill the civil sessions of our courts. And I'm in agreement with Steve Kazin on this point. I think that there's going to be asbestos litigation around into the third and fourth decade of the 21st century, without doubt. And one can do the math on this. There was an exposed population in the tens of millions in the period before OSHA banned the use of asbestos in most industrial applications and regulated the use of asbestos in most industrial applications. And the exposed population, now aging, moves through the latency period for development of mesothelioma. And when you do the math, you see that an exposed population in the 1970s and 1980s with a latency period of 30 to 40 years brings us into the 21st century and beyond the first few decades of the 21st century in terms of manifestation of disease. This litigation, however, is nearer to the end than it is to the beginning of its life cycle. I think that we can see the light at the end of the tunnel, and I think that that's a good thing. I think that there will be a steady stream of mesotheliomas over the next few decades, but that is a consequence of the fact that many mesotheliomas are idiopathic, that is, have no known pathogenic cause. And certainly asbestos cannot be deemed to be the cause of all mesotheliomas. We're going to see mesotheliomas into the future. Whether they are asbestos related or not is going to be the primary question for the litigation in the next 2 decades.